Fish.
Hello.
Oh. Did you not like it or something?
That was pretty funny.
Hey, thanks for that. Thanks for that. He likes me.
He really does, doesn't he?
Because you're green, you look like plankton.
Oh, that's so cute. Hello. I love seals. Hello. Have I got flash on? Hello. Please don't splash into the water again. I really didn't like that. Hello. Aww. Kitty.
Well, I've never been as close to that as a seal before.
Oh, the foldable thing is great. I love it. It's my favourite pastime.
Did you have a flash on?
Yeah, I didn't mean to, sorry.
So water away.
He doesn't mind though.
He's under a gun.
No, I didn't eat the fish either. I don't think I like vinegar.
Maybe just maybe we should have bought. No.
The fishing boats are just
Totally gone.
Hello.
Anything right there. Get one.
He really likes you, Adam. Really likes you. Oh.
Wait, wave. Hello.
Hello. Yeah, it looks like he does, doesn't he? Just a wee bit.
He's checking us out. Right, he's lining us up.
Hello. Hello. Oh, Chloe, he wants to kill you. Do you know what, Claire? I've had just about enough of your cheek, Missy. Right? So shut it. That's all I'm gonna say. That's all you're gonna say is heed my warning.
Oh, buddy. Is that good?
Yeah, Bob's about twice the size.
He is it! No, he doesn't. Can I switch places or can I move?